Hello there. I'm back with another video for you. Maybe it can be helpful for you. So in this opportunity we have a 2020 Dodge Caravan, and I'm having problem with the ignition switch. First time it was starting, but sometimes start and sometimes it doesn't. Now it doesn't want to start at all. See? So I believe the switch went bad. I'm gonna have to replace it. We have a new one here. Cost about 180 from dealer. That's the part number right there. And we need to remove the old one and put this one back. So I think to the dealer, to change this they had to remove the whole Dodge, but I'm gonna try just removing this panel control and probably maybe the radio, and see if I can reach the screws and change it. So let me remove these parts and see what we have inside. I'll be right back. Okay, got the chrome molding out, and I wanted to take this thing out, but I noticed when I take this molding out, the radio molding, it has two screws right there, one here and one here, and that's the one that is holding this part. So let me take those out and take this control out. Be right back. Yep, you have to remove these two screws. It's you can use a Philip or number 7 socket. So it will come out. Now we have to remove these screws from here and pull this thing to reach the screws inside this. Let me do that. I'll be right back. Okay, also you have to remove the radio. It has 4 screws, 2 on each side, and see we have another screw here and another here. So let's take those out and see if we can pull this thing a little bit more. It's close right now, but we still need some more room. So let me take those out and see if I can reach those screws inside the switch. I'll be back. Okay, still got it in there, so I needed some more room because this thing is not coming. It's not coming out from the bottom. It has bits of metal on the bottom, and it will stop to bring it out from the bottom, so you have to bring it out from the top. And it has a bracket that hold it. The bracket has three screws, 2 on the bottom and 1 on the top. The one on the top is hard to get it out because you need to open that thing as much as you can, and it goes all the way to the back. And so I try to took this molding out, and on the bottom has two screws to take the molding out. You need to remove this 1, 2, 3 screws. You need to remove this cover, and then you're gonna see the screws. And I found out that this the back of this radio, it had like 2 more screws on the back, as you can see over there. That's why I couldn't open it more, but that one helped you. Just so it has 1, 2 screws here, must close 2 on the back. You have to remove those, and then I was using this this little tool right here, number 7, to reach that screw in the back with a extension, long extension right there. So you have to get one of those tools, and also you need to get one of these number 7 ratchet wrench. It's gonna help you a lot. So I already took the screw out, and now I cut it loose. I'm gonna open this thing and bring it out, and then try to put the new one on and do the same process. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. Alright, it's out. Just the screw that I was talking about. See, there's 3 screws. Go. I thought just taking these 4 screws out gonna come out, but no, you have to take these 3 screws out and bring it out from the top. So it's gonna be a little bit challenging, but as you can see, it's possible to bring it out from here without removing the whole dash. I think the dealer charged you like $500 to do this job, because I think they removed the whole thing. But I think if you have the tools and the skill to do it, you can do it at home. And then if the car won't start, I think you're gonna need to program the key to the new switch, or buy a new key and program it. But I think you're gonna be able to use the same key, but I think you're gonna need to program the key to the new switch. So let me put it back together and see if we're gonna need to reprogram it. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done. Put it back together. When you put the parts back together, it's easier because you just need to put these screws on, and that's it. I wanted to tell you, when you open this thing right here, you need to be careful. Sometimes these parts just break, so you need to find something like plastic things to open this, and do it carefully. That way you don't break it, And let's see. So as you can see, this thing is telling me it won't start. So that means you have to program the key to the new switch. Can you see this light flashing? That means the switch is not connecting to the key, so it needs to be programmed. But all I have to do is call locksmith, or if you have a good scanner, I think you can do it by yourself. But at this time I need to call the locksmith and program the key. This is the original key, so I think you're gonna be able to do it, because this car is so difficult to work on it. Some scanners won't work on this, and you're not gonna be able to do it. Like, we have a scanner here, like, to program a key, but that thing require internet, and I think the scanner I have is too old and it won't read it. So that's all you need to do to change that switch. I hope this helped you to get your car done, and remember, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more videos, and that's all for now. So God bless you, and see you next video. Bye.